Hey everyone! Ready to take your Shopify store to the next level? Today, we'll walk you through 9 essential steps to boost your Shopify rankings in 2024. Let's get started and make your store shine. A Shopify SEO agency helps optimize your online store to make it more visible in search results. This involves activities like blogging, link building, and more. Brands like Decathlon, Red Bull, and Heinz trust Shopify to grow their e-businesses. Using a Shopify SEO agency brings many advantages. More traffic means more revenue. By fixing SEO issues and optimizing your site, you can attract qualified leads and improve your sales. Plus, SEO services enhance user experience, leading to higher conversion rates. Step 1. Keyword research. It's crucial to target the right keywords for better rankings and traffic. Use tools like Google Keyword Planner, Ubersuggest, and SEMrush to find the best keywords for your store. Step 2. Create engaging content. Quality content helps your brand connect with its audience and keeps visitors on your site longer. Post regularly and interact with your followers to boost engagement and improve your search rankings. Step 3. Install Shopify apps to increase revenue. Apps like SEO Optimizer and Plugin SEO can help improve your store's SEO performance. Browse the Shopify App Store to find the best apps for your needs. Step 4. Link creation. Building backlinks is essential for SEO. Backlinks act as votes of confidence for your site, helping it rank higher in search results. Focus on getting high-quality backlinks from reputable sites. Step 5. Optimize your title tags and descriptions. These elements help search engines understand your content and attract users to click on your links. Make sure they are clear, relevant, and include your target keywords. Step 6. Optimize your website speed. A fast-loading site improves user experience and ranks better on search engines. Ensure your Shopify store loads quickly to keep visitors engaged. Step 7. Perform an on-page SEO audit. Check your site's content, metadata, and technical aspects. Make necessary adjustments to improve SEO and boost your Shopify store's visibility. Step 8. Improve your URLs. Use clear, descriptive URLs that are easy to read and include relevant keywords. This helps both users and search engines navigate your site more effectively. Step 9. Produce unique product descriptions. Avoid copying descriptions from other sites. Write original, keyword-optimized descriptions to improve your SEO and provide valuable information to your customers. SEO is a complex but rewarding process. By following these 9 steps, you can boost your Shopify rankings and attract more customers. Need help? Our team at Effeect is here to assist you in achieving online success. Ready to take your Shopify store to the next level? Contact us at Effeect for expert Shopify SEO services. Book a free consultation today and let's grow your business together.